Many people may be misled by the word mini, believing that this type of computer is not powerful enough to meet the needs of users like the classic PC. But mini PCs can do exactly what full-fledged PC desktops do. A big advantage of mini PCs is their size and the fact that they don't take up much space, fitting perfectly wherever you place them on your desk. Its size is not bigger than a router, which makes it ideal for those who do not want a large unit that takes up a lot of space. If you want to maintain increased productivity while working from home, you should consider purchasing a mini PC instead of a classic laptop. Not only do mini PCs excel in daily tasks such as web browsing, email, presentations, and spreadsheets, they can meet your unique needs. In this video, we'll be looking at 5 of the best mini PCs that you can buy this year. I've made this list based on my personal opinion, research, but also taking in consideration customer reviews. If you want more information and up-to-date pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to check the links in video description. Before we start the video, subscribe to my channel and click that bell icon to get notified when I publish a new video. This is an AMD Ryzen 7 5800U Mini PC from Reatan. Powered with AMD quad-core Ryzen 7 5800U AMD processor, this mini PC delivers incredible responsiveness and faster performance. Smoothly switch back and forth between more applications with 16GB DDR4 memory and 512GB PCIe SSD. It can meet the use of your various scenarios such as entertainment and games, office, education, and more. Powerful performance. The AMD processor features revolutionary 7nm Zen 3 architecture, 8 cores, 16 threads, main frequency 3.2 GHz, a turbo frequency up to 4.4 GHz, a total L3 cache of 16 MB, and max 54 WTDP for a next generation. It also features a micro SD card slot that can hold a 128GB storage and more external hard drives via USB 3.1 ports. This mini PC comes with dual channels. The 16GB RAM can be expanded up to 32GB RAM of single slot and up to 64GB of dual slot. It has an installed 512GB SSD drive that can be upgraded to 1TB and support 2TB HDD expansion via SATA HDD slot. For buying options and more information about this mini PC, please check the links in video description. From Beelink, we have this 4-core i5 Mini PC. This Beelink Mini computer is powered by the 8th generation 4 cores, 8 threads Coffee Lake Core i5-8279U CPU, with burst frequency up to 4.1 GHz and 6 MB smart cache, achieving a faster and smooth responsiveness to satisfy your daily entertainment and work. This Beelink Micro PC is equipped with 6GB dual channels DDR4 memory up to 2400 MHz, which could be upgraded to total 32GB, greatly improving the data transmission speed. The 500GB SATA SSD with faster read speed up to 1900 MB per second also could be extended to max 2TB by replacing the SSD or adding a 2.5 inches HDD on the base, offering you large enough storage space. Designed with dual HDMI ports and a Type-C port, this microcomputer supports up to 3 monitors at the same time, helping you to finish multitasking and improve efficiency of work. Featuring 2.4G and 5.8G dual-frequency dual-antenna Wi-Fi 5 and a RJ45 gigabit network port, this mini portable PC has stronger wireless signal, reliable transmission speed, and low latency regardless of wireless or wired. Combined with Bluetooth 5.0 technology, this Beelink Mini Office PC supports a series of wireless devices. For buying options and more information about this mini PC, please check the links in video description. From Bkouen, we have this lightweight 11th Intel N51 mini computer. With 4.84 by 4.84 by 0.9 inches and only 0.61 pounds, the Bkouen AK7 Pro incredible lightweight mini PC is suitable for travel, easy to put in the pocket instead of bulky laptop. This mini PC is equipped with advanced Intel N5105 CPU, burst 2.9 GHz, 4 cores, 4 threads, 10nm. With 4K Intel UHD graphics, this mini PC is providing true-to-life picture for internet surfing and video playback. Dual screen display reduces the cumbersome actions of switching screens. It comes with large LPDDR4 8GB RAM. It works great for multiple office softwares at the same time. Enhance your working efficiency. This Bkouen Mini computer is equipped with 2.4G, 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and high-speed 1000 megabits per second Ethernet. Features faster wireless transmission and download speed. Designed with 2 HDMI ports, 2 USB 3.0, 2 USB 2.0, 1 RJ45 gigabit Ethernet port, 1 DC, 1 audio input-output. It can be plugged into multiple devices, such as projector, TV, monitor, office equipments, and home equipment, widely used in various scenarios. For buying options and more information about this mini PC, please check the links in video description. From Kamrui, we have this mini PC Intel i7. The Kamrui Mini PC comes with Intel 10th i7 10810U processor, 6 cores, 12 thread, max turbo frequency 4.90 MHz, 12 megabits Intel Smart Cache, with new hybrid core technology to free space for more complex workloads. It has an ultra-compact design, measuring only 5.41 by 4.9 by 1.96 inches. That delivers super performance for a wide variety of home and business applications, ensuring smooth and responsive experiences in a wide variety of usage scenarios. Equipped with 16 gigabits DDR4 and 512 gigabits M.2 SSD, this small PC can run several high-performance operations at the same time. Accomplish more with multitasking via DDR4 memory, ideal for transitioning smoothly between workload-intense applications. You also can expand the storage with M.2 SATA SSD, NVMe SSD interface, or 2.5 inches SATA HDD up to 2 TB. Kamrui Mini PC comes equipped with Intel UHD graphics for 10th gen processors and stunning 4K UHD resolution, and making it an ideal home theater PC. 2 HDMI ports and VGA connectors ensure compatibility with monitors, TVs, and projectors, providing a multitude of display options. For buying options and more information about this mini PC, please check the links in video description. From OUVISLITE, we have this Intel i5-8259U mini computer, equipped with 16 GB DDR4 and 512 GB M.2 SSD drive. This mini PC featuring the Core i5-8259U processor. The max turbo frequency can go up to 3.80 GHz. 4 cores, 8 thread, supports 6M Intel Smart Cache. This small mini computer has powerful performance, efficient core, and ultra-compact computer that delivers super performance for a wide variety of home and business applications, ensuring smooth and responsive experiences in a wide variety of usage scenarios. This mini computer is equipped with high-speed dual-channel 16 gigabits DDR4 and 512G M.2 SATA SSD, allowing the small PC to run several high-performance operations at the same time. You can expand the storage with M.2 SATA SSD, NVMe SSD interface, or 2.5 inches SATA HDD up to 2 TB. The mini PC comes equipped with Intel Iris Plus graphics 655 and stunning 4K UHD resolution, making it an ideal home theater PC. It also features 2 HDMI and VGA connectors to ensure compatibility with monitors, TVs, and projectors, providing a multitude of display options. For buying options and more information about this mini PC, please check the links in video description.